Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with Whatnot. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start using PayPal to make purchases for your bids. How do you actually go ahead and connect PayPal with Whatnot? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, let's first hop onto Whatnot. Next, click on the bottom right hand corner where it says your account. Next, click on payments and shipping, and then click on the pencil icon next to where it says add payment method. Next, click on PayPal. And then from here, what's going to happen is that it's going to ask you to actually select PayPal. Now, you'll probably be prompted to log onto your PayPal app so that you can log in and connect PayPal with Whatnot. But from here, guys, just follow the on-screen prompts and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect PayPal with Whatnot. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.